So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the voice control commands on your Insta360 X3 camera. This comes in really handy when you are somewhere or you've got your camera mounted somewhere that it's not easy to access the stop and record buttons and all the buttons on the camera. So what you can actually do is you can just literally talk functions to your camera and it will perform certain actions. So you can say start recording, stop recording, shut down camera, take a photo. Those are the four main commands that I usually use, especially when I'm doing mountain biking and I've got my camera mounted to my chin, on my chest, on my helmet, and it's not easily accessible with my hands, or like I've got that fear of like pressing the wrong buttons and I can't see what I'm doing. So the voice commands are really, really useful. And to activate them, it's really simple to do. You simply just turn your camera on, you swipe down to go to the settings menu, you click the gear icon, and then you scroll down until you see a tab called voice control, and from there you literally toggle it on or off, and from there you can choose a different language as well, and it'll tell you on there the voice commands that are available. So you've got take a photo, start recording, stop recording, mark that, and shut down camera. Mark that is something I've never actually used, but I think that actually marks a point in your footage. It's actually just shut my camera down. It's quite funny. So we'll just test this out now. Start recording. There we go. It's now recording. Stop recording. Now the camera stopped recording. And then if we want to turn the camera off completely, shut down camera. There you go. Camera is turned off to save battery life. Real quick video for me today. Hopefully that tip was useful. If you've got any comments about activating voice control, voice commands, pop them in the comments below. And make sure you go and grab my action camera video settings cheat sheet where you can get all my video settings for this amazing little 360 camera. There'll be a link in the description below. See you in the next tutorial.